Welcome back to Athlete Universe with all-time greatest cricketer in the world, Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar cooking videos. All-time greatest legendary cricketer Sachin Tendulkar showing his cooking skill today. Have a look.
I mastered this now.
Oh, nice.
This is what I mastered. Good combination. Wrist work. Do you want this?
Sachin Tendulkar posted this video with a funny caption, "Say hi to your chef for today." He claimed himself also as a cooking master. This incredible player has gained 15,921 Test international run and 18,426 ODI international run in his fascinating career. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for next update. Stay happy, stay cool, stay with us. Thanks to all.